Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Drug Reduction, Elimination and Action Mission, kumshibenta banwanra jingkala haki brio ki balangop haki jingdi penbuaan, menda kasngi thok diang kala yok ban pendong ya vocational skill demonstration, hakawai ni kijaka ki ba jing suma ki balangop haki jingdi penbuaan, kata ke New Hope De-Addiction Center ke badan hamau diang-diang. Hakani kasngi ki ladan ki katu kani kijaka ajing hikai ki badan Shillong, ki balawan ban ai ki jing batai, hakabede ba ki jing pule ba pher ki jaka ai jing hikai ki berkentup na po ka ITI Shillong na Don Bosco Technical School, Don Bosco Youth Center, bat kumjuru na po ka Meghalaya Skill Development.
No, mentolnya in haben check lagi nih ke half shot dan full shot. Cuma ada half shot dan sebenarnya ayam nih continuity, how nih babi sound.
Di no di sini no di sini.
Jadi before ini bapak. Ini dia cool testing kan, bang ini cool testing kemudian dong bam connect direct
Teh, ingin haben tes half shot dan long shot. Jangan pun kelak dan shot dan shot dah. Telah cuma ada half shot dan
half shot ngidang lah bersina full shot teng ka kam jenjar kalau bandu ka IC.
ada ILMT, umi yang umi ILMT dan balik dah. Dan ILMT link yang ni. Mi balik. Simbol ada kali kumne mi balik link yang kumne mi balik kamut tahap shot hi. Kadang kabar tahap shot sana di badan ki kapasitor ki.
Terserah itu. Jadi badang lah tu long riset kan dah long PM tu syukam tu kamla tu tu syuk. Nama kifun mentah dan kifun. Kibarim telak mau ban keliang ban syurisan tu bang PM. Ada kifun mentah tu jenjar ban.
Saya mau sebut
Kifun ni dah kau kadak dak ni.
Kung cukup itu dah. Yang lam tu. Oh, belum. Ini sing lah long kum cikabat. Tu.
Ini dia dah belum. Ini dah 1 point putu mudah. Makan ni kacing terok putar dia. Ini pat dia ba. Dia sutring ho. Ini pat pedangkap dia ba. Change ini tak soal lah empat kali flux flux ni kali apa bah petshop ana you ya kali ha ini cerita how ni jadi itu sa ai sakane pa sakan thau ni dalam Afrika ni itu sa itu
drumstick dah.
ya kali
Okay, then filapan go out, shoot any news like current events or maybe sports events or maybe personality events means documentary maybe mentangi happen documentary about someone maybe Lumajang or maybe someone from your feed maybe stories Shahidin have filapan inspired so many through your documentary video. Okay, so I like you can cover your test events, and then audio visual maybe baki sound, how to incorporate sound, have a video, sound change have a video, okay, because when it comes to video production, you don't entertainment videos, you don't give promotional videos maybe you can promote. Maybe this organization or maybe a product, maybe some of you come on and now you don't get some more skills, maybe done prejudice phenomenon. Masuk jangan baca ni ban mobile repairing ni there's not people prejudice ba why ru badam sam anything. So fila ban promote the lemah to stories. Okay, how you do is when it comes to diploma in journalism, what you need to do is you make short videos. Doesn't mean very lengthy videos. Ni alam theory and practical. So theory because it's important. You need to know before you go out to the actual world. Actual world means short fiction, coverage. It can be a photo. Okay, you're not usually cover news, cover the you have to get text as a media person, video, when it comes to conference. Okay, when it comes to the issues, very heated, rally, protest someone, a video in journalism. Okay, so kita get the guidelines and the text to how to implement text in journalism. Yeah, comment if you video to email, you shoot the music video more where you like a main character. You take the front line. So it's very dynamic. It's very strong. Okay, how to get the advanced videography and side light. Use either from the left or either from the right. Kalong very dramatic. Content katuka contrast feeling, that very strong, powerful, superiority. Okay, then you don't get backlight. She here, music video, she use the backlight. Backlight, you don't get, it's just a kind of a silhouette. Okay, it's like very appealing to the audience. So kita get techniques okay, have advanced. So next one, you don't get diploma in mobile social media journalism. Link your mobile social media journalism because mobile is very friendly. User friendly. Everyone is like, okay, friendly. Unlike DSLR, like, and you have to be very careful if you handle right. So, you book a course diploma in mobile social media journalism because it's friendly, it's reliable, it's compatible, and so. So, how to make a diploma in mobile social media journalism is you can make stories out of it. So, stories if we come to center. Impact so maybe a passion you guys could shut down just 1% or maybe a group of person kita ada basic na bantam di masuk diploma photography group photo lagi share okay so we done a project question medium close up medium close up means but express emotions of you okay long shot maybe some of you got post mo mata post kejar mo so you can take the long shot kunta ni kai basic so photography pan ibu like lighting equipment, kumnung use ya kalai have a video. Come tam using it even takalong very demanding and it's interesting even like even tam YouTube mo everyone mata dari local ngilong nanang ki concepts kumnung use at advanced videography. So haki elements being used at advanced videography ki lighting. Okay, kumnung man pinitana di lights. So doesn't mean hangga classroom doesn't mean bakya abandan kitya. Okay, doesn't mean kumki camera mata. Most of the students kim done. So what we use is smartphone. Fill up a smartphone, or maybe if we have a DSLR, plus points milling in hikala, give no partiality. Okay, if you have a smartphone, hikala concepts, kumluki shot, kumluki angles, kumluki movement nation. Okay, movement like kumanta if you done a group mechanical interacting session. This is a movement. Whatever happens, kinetic movement. Kumanta shot, long shot, this is a long shot. Okay. They may have question to close up maybe emotions must know about the issue must express. So this is a close up. So to get the camera shot.
Mo, i-play ka lahat kalenti. Ni quality sector, security guard, magidon ni security guard ro, kini sector ki service sector bangi ang. Kambon ni ay placement ni na kinukuhaan like placement. Pagpuli tinabantok exam din sa iyo kakambiyo ika salary every month. Kata ka benefit ka ba limba ka training ka ba ni ay kabalay ya ni ay inabanta gitu kibang kuha man may placement kibang kuha man may mo genswear kon ha pila pendep ya katu ka tailoring there nila ban arrange ban ay ki start up tools mangi ong kenang ba pila ban sedang ye kakam immediately mo kamot man kang ni ai startup tools kum katum ka funds bangi don ni le sing ila ban ai pi ka we ka sewing machine ni ila ban ai pi ki accessories ka shong kat kum ka ka funds bangi don ba ka shong kat kum ka tiar bagi kena itu tingi ai pi kita ki startup. It does not mean ba mustn't have ka training pinha ban play dukan kan sedang no ka business. No, we don't want you to do that. Kamdai ka basuk ban seng dukan maju play dukan no buat ban seng business no. You might fail. Ila man nomla man penyahat dia kata ka kamdai, you might fail, right? Ti ka ka balai ni sa ai ka startup. Startup means you can start anywhere. Huh? Hakam ra yang saja ru pila la ban sedang ka kam jong pi. Hakam ra shongkai ru pila ban sedang ka kam ka jong pi. Suppose now you complete what the can drawn. Ni don ni kita ki duration mengi om. Kita about live 3.5 months. Nak ban pendek. Mo, wait nak ban pendek ya ka? 300 hours dan 400 hours kat kupadai. Dia dah pila ada ya ka training sounds fun ka. Tin sayo ya ka? Tin hak ban shong the assessment. Assessment kalau ke exam halwa kakam. Hindi assessment kung hapo school. Mo, ada pimnang history ko pin hapan tho exam history then hangni kalau halwa kakam. Mo, dia pinala ada ka assessment pin sayo ya ka certificate ka ba long valid all across the state. Hidon ki certificate ki long valid all across India. Mo, ikati ka certificate is not just a piece of paper. Ini ke certificate kan pensisha IP by you are skilled workforce. Buat bapila day kita belak pentebit halor kakam. You see, if you have a certificate, ka pensisha bapila lak pentebit halor katu kakam ka bapila pendet ka training. Mo, ikadong valid. In case kumenta pi pendet ya ka training halor karem karyang nasyuan mo. Halor karem karyang. Kidon ya ka certificate ke MSSDS mentah kalau ada ketaya berkilain departments di bapel. Kung ke agriculture, veterinary, ida ke DCIC, ida kentap kilain departments di bapel. Hadian habot pipa di scheme, syubot pi pendek ekarep, pi pendek ekar risniang, pi pendek ekar rimasi. Kadon ke scheme rimasi, bagi ai masih. Let's say, lani ke scheme pi ba ai sniang, lani ba ai siar lagi, mo yaki brio. Kani ka certificate kan dia rap IP bapinyo kita ki scheme. Klaim dah syak keli. Nama balai hang tu lah pensisya bapila ada lupa kita ki bala pentebit. Halor kakam ni masih lagi kakam rep dan ni kakam mobile repairing ko mga ono mo. Katu manu ka jai kam ka bapi pendep. Katu ka certificate kan pensisya ba pila ada kita ki skill ko post and you deserve to get that scheme. Kemo pila manyo be ka scheme kan. Mo kata gede kejim mendai bangi offer mangi ngamut banong mendai bangi introduce mangi kini kawan lagi kena lagi kon samlahi mo kiwan ni lagi kon samlahi ikwa ban shedding shed ni la dam kat tu ande mo kena tiba kwa itu shedding shed ni kiba day na do she's nang hado asna electrician, wireman, motor mechanic kita asnam ka course. Di hak po ITI. Kini kita sapo apa di kita ITI gi tambah kita tang si pasyus. Wana po Don Bosco Technical School. Nawan hang nakting Georgia malaki. Parang hanibat kali siya ngai asanta pa. Ting wan hanibat matay pi siya pang ki trades ki courses ki ba Don Bosco ring kiran mo. Te kung may isa man kan mo ila ay ki jongir kalong markum johi ilan dress ki ba ilan badan hangi lagi bisa kata wala ki long markum jo ma
Kawin ka difference. Ay malaki ang principal ITI kay sindang apo dun school kay
The motor mechanic dish haki kali the welder welding mo ikina the woodwork technician kila ay kila mushagi ay carpentry kila chief kaya kata woodwork technician ma dia nata civil technology kabedi siya magkisuk jan fashion designing embroidery kini baro antara kini desktop publishing bedi siya computer kung kani bangale ngamanta bangale presentation di bukha ki hatang ni hikai kini antara ibande kung ki kembali ki illustrations designs kini baro ki hapo desktop publishing the stenography and secretarial kini pada lomba
Nam tabal kumbai batai sama mana bahada office untuk batai bathok itu. Dia nang tadi kemauan kini di bahap long term courses mana shisnam hado arsnam. Kini kiwe pada kidai kibal do handre benai hado shisnam. Kiran kijo hi kibal PE hangne jalang kumjo hi trades jong MMV jong motor mechanic kita antara electrician, carpenter, computer. Kini baru ki hak balitang handre benai hado shisnam. Kini kadeka collaboration.
Okay.
Ini kita handre benai hado shisnam. Ma, ini kim hak aku RTI. Okay. Nang tadi kini short term courses kini pada kita hado shipana hado san bena mau kom basic electrical ni belau kita malu ngas file kita macam nang malu bisna hai la sima wana taka basic electrical ma nang tadi kata electronics and mobile repairing komenta baro-baro bebat phone ma ni dan badal laptop hi teka snio tik hante hikai kom no ban mansna ke kom ka snio ka mobile snio ka phone ni kita electronics ayo hikai pi hante ma pinsna Nenang tadi, tali GST komentar beri business komentar habis kami komentar rokat dan di bank dan kami GST, tinggi kayak pikun dan Kenya kata mo. Nang tadi komputer hardware networking, komputer typing ni berhad apa komputer beli tak siapa, mo. Nang tadi, kini kesap ke bawah beli lah IEP, kira setiap penkuat dia, kedai kekam, penbejen dia kedai kekam. Pilih yang sejak pisat jeng syak kedai kekam. Pimi apa pitung jeng thong kedai kekam. Tishna jeng shna dah kesap kapang apa pilak don lupa kedai kekam. Hatu piju perkat ni ba kini ke ba pilek wan kas ni hayem. Pilak te ban kamai jakpot naka. Pilak ban convert dia ka syakal livelihood activity te. Kadai bangila liat lupa hayem. Mentah sini pen EP ni ong ni don ke hospitality ni don ke ni ka ini fast food. Kadai kesap ke bapila don lupa hai. Happy. Kibas ngau tenat ban share jing share. Kibas ngau tenat ban pengkhuat dia pe kadai ka kamu ong EP. Ya ka bapila ban kamai. Hendai naman bam shimla pen he pensan ngi ban ngau tho pa kini ki ki kam ki bangi ni la ban trai. Kadang kajing mut kajing perkat kajungi kalau be oh ladang inang ban start ladang ban puli mo ladang kadang jeng puli kakam ke bangi de banwa de kakam syok syuki kadai ne kikmi ki pa jengi ru ki om puli kon ba pinlong babu ba pin syong hapo kanu ka office ban syong syuki ki kain batang kakam syong syuki ke kakam mo ndai kamlong punta kanu kakam ke bangi ni de hi kasi hayem kumong ong ipi pengkuat dia housekeeping dan ibu dah kawai ke kantin nak semua bang dia dong housekeeping mereka kampung kuat dia fast food macet jeng share kita ni kena nak nang lupa mereka kumno ban convert dia ka syakal livelihood activity dia kata bi dia ban semua tuak kan mo dia haba kelak don lupa kasap kapang ke ka ba pidong kam mentah kalong wan syahman Shimli training kan dia. Kalau man penjana syuk kata kasap kapong ka bapila don. Mo penjana syuk penpa syuk. Kenang bapila man le bha halor ka kam ka jopi te. Mo deka MSSDS ka don hang ne ban yarap AP bapin penjana kata kasap kapong ka bapila don lupa in enhance kata ka skill ka jopi panlong ka lat ka limpi ka bapila ban yang ka ka jopi jan. Mde tang ka kam syong syuki ka de ka kam ka don burong ka kam bangi ken kam kanu ka kam ka bangi trai ka dei ka kam mo ka dei ka shang ka jimut jim perkhat ka jami mo ka shong ka jimut ka jim perkhat ka jami kumno bangin convert ya kata ka skill dia kata ka sap ka pong ka ublay la ayangi convert dia ka syaka ka lat ka mai jakbo bangi mo kidan na pedeng jupi la nang lupa bansu tang sudan ke la nang bansu Ade, that is your skill. Ade ka talent ka ba ong mo? There's a difference between skill and talent. Kaya mo, ka talent ka de ka inborn ini quality, ka inborn ka balakha lupa ini ka skill.
There are huge let's say when you are out, you don't see any opportunities. There are huge opportunities in other states, like in Kerala, like in Tamil Nadu, in Karnataka, where they speak a lot of English. and a lot of English is required for it. We people from northeast have a unique quality. We can speak English, so it will be in high demand there. So if you learn any skills, that easily you can get jobs there also, because you can speak English. There are many principal, there are many skills that you can learn, but the added advantage is because you know English, and then so it is easily. You may say how do we go about it? That is my job. As mission director, now we are thinking, although I've just started, we will be thinking of, after you train, if you're interested in some training, vocational and all that, we will try to connect with companies and business institutes and how to give you placements and how to get you jobs. So that is an ongoing process we're working. This is the first step. It depends on you, Kasham Happy, but if you don't interest, but if he शिव की टेक्नोलॉजी का कुछ सीखेगा तो उसके बाद में हम लोग भी, मेरा तरफ से हम लोग गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से हम लोग भी कोशिश करेगा मदद करने के लिए penyiarap itu kumno banyak kam kerja. So it depends on you.
Survey, kapthau, mekanik, motor mekanik course ko ko asam. Ini course mehikai kelak. Along details, kumno pinsna kali kumno pin repair. Ini bansna is lagasnio, insai ketiar kabasnio in pandai tak buat thamai. Information and communication technology kani course bagi kai kumno pin install software, repair computer, software, hardware, filter kini bangin assemble pendai ginu ikip itiar kita na kono kerjakan wanra yang ban kelahe maka kono ketiar kabahe melak ban kit te melak ban kit lemno ilawan khot teban pendai itu dan kita up to the company simpel kini trade kai kuno pendai itu dia tang supaya ka dor jong ka drawing e pendai ka sum tu ka jingkwa design jong ka no mesin electronics mechanic operator advanced professional kemudian kaman khot mechanic kemudian kaman menta bun hi por ba kilauan ra daki company kila snai kali ba thamai ki ba kila kham jinjar ban sna ni kai kita uno ban minor ki basic uno pintep multimedia animation kita ba design web designing graphic design digital photographer shooter dan ka kini bisa so solar technician itu ki repair solar light solar plate na driving ka mechanic ni course ba itang drone te hamne ni hikai te ke trade ke bagi offer dan kat kedai kli trade ITI ni te trade ke bagi dan mengi minta welder kete course di basisnam bat barsnam welder woodwork di basna kamdi ta plumber shooting ba suf musman ye pibro ngan de ba boni saukwi di principal jongka ITI Shillong te buni nangi
चालू आपका आगे बढ़ने के लिए सिर्फ वो ही भी नहीं कभी तक एजेंसीज लगा हिलापन हिकाई भी अगर हम लोग आपको कुछ सिखा सकता हिलापन हिकाई किलो किंजा स्किल्स ये भी लेसे फिर सुतरा कशों भी Nengin pun kidon ki barfa gini skills ki ban train ni pi lada pidon interest ki in ai jingkai free dan junglot dan user kemudian boy pila adat nang ne po nang ne na riha mila ban ya let ban kini ki don kini ki ban wat ki ban ai jingkai ya pi आपको मतलब free training देगा तो ngalong mission director जो के dreams project का बाका set up का सरकार है ban pet ban resolve ya kaninga problem jong kaninga jingpang kaning bang lang ti menta ko ofisi nga perkhat mo jing perkhat nga kalong ma menta pin lai depth nang ni what next ke क्या कर सकता है इसके बाद में क्या कर सकता है दादा adept ke nga
Habayok banekran bat mission director jong ka dream uba Francis G Kharshieng ulaong bagani jingwan jongki ban ai jingpen shai kalong kum shibenta bagin yo iya kalawei hadian anda kila yo ban mi na kani rehab center ulaong ru bagani kalong ru kum shibenta hakaban aikam aijam kini ki samla kenang bakin la ban yeng halaki jong ki kejat.
Man hikai kini kena ni ya kini malai demonstration na kalian skills development na po ka Don Bosco Technical School na kalian ka BITS na kalian ka youth center na kalian ka ITI iwi kami awan basi they will be organizing show you the main idea is man plate lenti kini kena ni makin UI ka lawai la dep ka rehabilitation de ka ka niang ala ka kejat jo te ni wan ni bon ki demonstration mentagin sedang le ikwi demonstration tu ndai ka khongsan ban ai kam ai jam mi ban hikai ki kam ka jam ki la niang lu ka la kejat jo ndai ka khongsan ka because kadang ko gi chik pada kadi stigmatization kadi gi jing sha no ma dikil anang no kam kumno kin yo kam no menu ban ai kam ki menu ban chani ai ki ma ki kena ki bala no la ha ba ne jing pam kani gi jing sto ndai na ku missionary rector na kwa yo ba ni kwa ba stang so na ye te kum kini ki functions kini kita mentang la sim ko gi decision ma kini ki functions ko he ka idon ka forum jo kan megala users forum kini ki bala ya na ka diga jingpang ma ki bala chem ma ki bala ya persang iban long man ya hagalinti ka ban lat na ka diga jingpang te na ka liang juga ko ko ban pi ngin sedang na yin ba ngin encourage ki te ngishim la shim go decision ba par ko ki functions ba he jongi po office na ki meetings na ki kin pinbe ki na ka liang mega users forum kin pinbe ya ka ba am kadi iki snacks kini ki iban.com ki shipin biang to komentar singiro ngala karpa ki kila pinbe ki snacks ki nginsa agi sa submit bill changi nginsa clear you ka jingtumu jokani mri tang makikin kamai bisa ndai ban pin ba ngiru ishania yaki ngiru bi kwa ban support yaki makin yo manyang biang ala ki jong ki jat akwa pin ida ka doksa yaki brio bor khat ri ju na khman makiwi ki business concern so la shay kini khna ki bandala shubo ki learn ya no skills kai makiru kin play lenti gini khna kinum don kita ka jipi ho ni no bung ni khna wa wan ka tu ka background himla ba chania kita ki ko ban penja ya kata ka jik sko ka ja ki tu na ndang uldu ka dream mission ka ladon menta asnem ndre ki ladon ki bagi officers ki bla you like to be officers public ki bun kam la kam la jam ki to serving officers te ki yo ban ai full attention ya ka diga kam te menta ka sarkar ka kapan kapti ka diga kam ha te hap ngarang sujoy menta alai banai te kana labu ka jingmut ka khat ka janai ba kundu ban tackle ka diga ko wi ka issue ki bun ki issues ka ban tackle ka ni de ko wi ka issue ka diga ba kunoi ki ni ki bala what about rehabilitation center kumno bakin jam bakin room integrate biang bakin room yang ka society kum ki brio ki balong kum manga ma phite kum bar khot ki blong no kadon ki jing because we ni bonse ni wat daw ne ni kdokti o kini khna ki bala lokota ngim de ban ai kam ngim de ban jan ki ngim de ban karen ki ki ni don ki jing pihun gadon kajing so persai kena pahat la ni la ban hikai pinjakam tiki la ban yang ala ka jong kerja te halo kata ni pelong bagi meeting khala tarik Desember apo pedeng gidi vocational training center but gidi rehab center dia kan kumno bagi la ban ai ki hikai gidi kena te hak tu meeting ni decide on ngia rai bagi dia one hakini ki rehab centers man pini man demonstrate ini skills ki vocational studies bagi la ban ai kum ki ITI kum ki skills development ki we agencies mala ban ai ji hikai gini kena balada ki kloi ban hikai tikila ban yang la ka kerja kila ban sedang ban kamai la jakpo jae ya lade kila ban yang deki kejat la jong kinum don ke jing penwit ka no ke jing injuki tika chances bakin let biang ni hatu ka jing pang bakin ngat biang hatu jing pang kan lat iki baniang ni ka sarkar daladir ka bodi ki schemes ki ban ai ki ban sponsor kan te ni ngansa lam kamat ban keren ma sarkar mangini ham e perkhat da humoi kumno ban la sponsor manira ban ai bor ai sor gini kena ki badon gamon ban kala ki ban la ani di cepat ya kan seiso kani ka kam kan kidon ki ITI kidon ki bu ka certain qualification ya pass class 8 don pass class 10 ti ya kani ngadang suthu mentai kani ke issue ka belong sensitive kani ka kam mani le mentak belong very complicated ka long sensitive ba ting le sing ha perkhat anam ikren ba soka le sing ni ha perkhat da kumai na ka ta ki beliau ki belong ki badon kani je Kali the first kali hadir ke mana ka ia long first meeting ia long kat lai 3 Disember te ndak kata ka meeting nilai ya song lai janai bang nilai ya mirjim nilai ya keren ya tainia ba da te kadu ba ngi decide ba ngi ni wan chua po gi rehab centers te kani ketika pilot project kani ketika bandingkong kesin bandingkong bat lata ngai i ba kani kalau seso nilai apa ro ki rehab centers apa ki kadon mentan kami kerja keren apa penjungi menginyalam ki kena idon ki kena ki bala jam inyalam ki ITI nespo ki skills development you nespo Don Bosco shiwe ki ba IG kai inyalam ki ban ki ban demonstrate hang tur ki katar kadon ga jing ndai kani ga sin ko ban kong mun yele ban ngai i ba kia long songshit ba ki kena kiba ya sim jik sumar ni kilong song shit ya kaniga ya program
kayarap sibon hi namar ba kadang dan hapo kalong ba kimpadat suthu am ban le yu shabar te dan kum gini pa ka spark some interest in them out, before they go out te kabyang kanika initiative ba isim na kanika project dream project and ngoba kan say so hi namar ba ngai khna kim khamdan interest hi and kidai ki certain things ba ki kum khna kum manging ya khamlong interested in and ki bon ki khna hane ba kham train ya kata ka kam shed kidon ba train man shed ban sna ki mobile so it is a very good initiative on their end
kinakalia jung ki kinang Ivan sim dan kiwi ba batinang once khmat at least bakin once kini ki program kham bakin tip isha kamnu kata ka jing thang ba ka sarkar ka dan ban kini ki la ka jing la ka dan
na hakapor jangi long pat kimda bon than re kini ki initiative basim ka government te menta bakal adan hi ka government support tenga kwa bagi khna kin nomya dan shu bure bet manupor nama kani ka diga jingpang khamot iran aro ningkong bakin ja ki kum kani ka jingja teng naki la bakin mi khamat menta bakin dan kini ki initiative menta ki la bon shushu ki services baka government ka provide and it's a very helpful thing for them